What is going on, guys? This is your boy Luis, aka Kuma Matata, and we are here back in the G with my beautiful G, should I say. Today is going to be an important video because, as you know, I changed the wheels on my car, but we have a problem. Boom, boom, boom. Major tuckage. Now, we're going to see how much the spacers affect the look of your car. I never had spacers before, so when I saw that atrocious thing, I said I need to get spacers. So, in the spirit of being in Stan's Nation, a little commercial break. Working on his aesthetic for the first time ever. Today, success. So I got some spacers on eBay. Don't worry, they're not Chinese. They are pure American muscle.
They're pure Dominican.
They are Hex Auto Parts. They are made supposedly in the USA, and supposedly these are the ones that don't crack if you treat them right. Coño. This motherfucker. Okay, so I finished down putting the spacers. Now we're gonna see how much of a difference did that make. There you have it. That's the big improvement. I'm all over the car. I'm gonna show you how it looks on the ground. And yeah, overall I'm happy with the results. I think the one in the front needs to be tucked out a little bit more, but the one in the front, in the back, might be sticking out a little bit too much. I don't know. You be the judge. So this is the final result. Look how beefy shit looks. Oh my God. It's like another different car, man. Good Lord, good Lord. I love it. That in the back is almost perfect. See that? Woo. It's like flush Stan's Nation. Whoop, whoop, whoop. That looks good. See the front? The front looks way better now. It's not so much tucked in, it's more out. It gives it a little sporty look. Ooh, mama. Look what I brought home, mama. She's a little sexy mama. Look at that. Look at that. Oh, yes. She is looking sexy. She is a sexy. We'll have to fix that. Ooh, what happened here? I don't know. That was not like that. Maybe somebody hit it. Most likely. I live in the city, so you know how that is. But this spacers, I am loving the look. Look at how flushed it looks. Ooh, let me see if I can get like something. Flat something here. Look at that. Ooh, do you see that? Do you see the flush? Ooh, let me see the other side. Look at that, look at that. Oh yeah, the can challenge. Ooh, there you go. Look at that front. It looks so nice. It looks outside. As you can tell, I'm super happy with the results. I'm gonna torque down the wheels like right now, because unfortunately I forgot that you're supposed to torque the wheels when they're on the ground, but I was so excited that I torqued them down when the car was in the air. So I'm gonna torque it down again, make sure that the torque is all right and that he's running properly. But look at that, man. I can't just stop looking at her. She looks great. Oh yeah, baby. She's a sexy beast. She's a sexy beast. Oh, she's so sexy. My goodness. She looks good. Well, that's it for this episode. You be the judge. Do you like the new look? The spacers really enhance the stance of your car. Do they make it look different? Is it better for your car? My opinion, they make it look awesome, like a totally different car. My God, I'm loving these spacers. Anyway, that is it for this episode. I appreciate you staying all the way to the end. G Nation, Wrenchettes. Until next time, peace.